Sheikh Waidur Rahman Academy. I'm Muhammad Tarek before you. Now I'm going to discuss about science of standard 8. Our today's topic is the structure of atoms. So shall we start? Okay. According to Tarek sir, according to scientists, the whole world is divided into two parts, such as matter and energy. Got it? Okay. So energy is not included in our today's topics. Our today's topic is related about matter. And matter is divided into two parts, such as element and compound. Got it? Okay. From element we get atom, and from compound we get molecule. Okay. So if we define that atom and molecule, we can say that atom is the smallest particles of element. Clear? Atom is the smallest particle of element and the molecule of the smallest particle of compound. And our today's topics, our notice group that atoms. So our today's topic is atom. Okay? Clear? So first of all, we need to learn some history of atom briefly. Okay? Before Christ 400 BC, that means not Bappa Chandra, that means before Christ. Before 4,000 years, a great Greek philosopher named Democritus and his student Lysippus and an Indian philosopher named Conrad describes about atom. They clearly say that anything in the world can be divided into the smallest particles. And this smallest particle cannot be divided further. They say this name is atoms. Democritus' name is atom. What is the meaning of the atom? Atom, this word has two parts. A-tom. Okay? A means not and tom means divisible. So, the meaning of the atom is indivisible. But a great Greek philosopher, Aristotle, opposed this opinion. You know that what is today is right in this today's scientific era, that may be not right in the future. So, a great philosopher, Aristotle, said that element can be divided into smallest particles uninterruptedly. Okay? So he said that an atom can be divided, and if we divide atom, we get three elements, such as electron, proton, and neutron. Clear? If we divide atom, we will get three particles, such as electron, proton, and neutron. And then if we divide electron, proton and neutron, we will get the pion, muon, neutrino, meson. But it is not included in our for the student of class 8. That's for the student of higher level. So I shouldn't discuss about that pion, muon, neutrino, meson. Okay. So three things we definitely need to know: this electron, proton, and neutron. Okay. What is the meaning of the electron? Electron is the smallest component of atom. Electron is the smallest component of an atom, and electron denotes to E. Got it? Electron denotes to E. And proton is the smallest component of an atom, that denotes to P. That is, and neutron, which is the smallest component of an atom, which denotes N. So now I want to make sure there's one thing says that electron contains negative charge. Electron contains negative charge. Okay. And another one is proton. Okay. Proton contains positive charge, like Mr. Abdullah Harun Tanim, who is always positive. And electron contains this positive charge, and neutron contains neutral. Neutron has no charge. Neutral means neutral something, like our honorable vice principal, Mr. Abdul Ahmed. He has no enemy, so he is a neutral person. So that's neutron is called N. Got it? Okay. So we should dive on the atomic number, mass number, and isotope. Okay. In briefly, I have to say that what is the atomic number? Atomic number. First, I want to define that atomic number. What is the atomic number? Atomic number, the number of proton is called atomic number. Clear? The number of proton is called atomic number, and atomic number is expressed by J. Clear? Okay. And the number of proton and neutron together is called mass number. And the mass number is expressed by Z. Clear? Okay, another topic is that isotope. What is the means of the lowest part of that isotope is the top. Top, we know that in any element, top, what components is on the top of any elements? Like if we write something like sodium 23. Okay, sorry. Hydrogen 1, 2, 3. Okay, here the isotope. Top means the upper part of something, right? Okay. Here upper part 1, 2, 3. Isotope means upper part has difference, like same things, same atomic number or proton number, but the different number of mass number or neutron number, which is one another's isotope. Clear? Okay. And the use of the isotope, we use isotope in different aspects of life, such as agricultural side, medical science, or something to create a new generations of seeds. We use isotopes. Okay. Isotopes are also used in many sectors in the world. You know that coronavirus, COVID-19 is right now a serious problem, and here lots of the scientists are trying to make the preventative measures by using isotopes. Clear? Okay. So our topics was that atomic number, mass number, isotopes. I hope that these things are clear to you. Okay. The another thing is this. I want to mention that the structure of an atom. Okay. Here, okay. According to Rutherford, the atom has nucleus and electron. Okay, what is this? What is the meaning of the nucleus? Okay, nucleus is what is the center of an atom, which contains the total mass and the positive ion. It is called the nucleus. Clear? Okay. An electron in a spectra of an atom, electrons revolve around the nucleus. Electron revolve around the nucleus in many ways. These ways or rods are called the shell or energy level. Clear? There are 4 shells like K shell, L shell, M shell, N shell. Clear? Okay. So I will discuss that. Another thing is really important about that, the cation and the anion. Okay, cation. What is the meaning of the cation and what is the meaning of the anion? First of all, we need to understand that the ion, if electron is leave or electron is accept, we call it ion. Here, if electron leave, we call it cation. Electron leave, we call it cation. Like sodium has 11 electrons. Right? If we leave 1 electron from sodium, that would be cation. Sodium plus, that would be cation. And electron acceptance of electron is called the anion. Chlorine has 17 electrons. If we accept another electron to remain in stable states, we call it anion. So that will be not chlorine, that will be chloride, and that will be sodium plus. Okay. There is a big question of that. Why atom is remain? Why does atom remain neutral? Okay. We know that in any atom, there the number of the proton and number of the electron are the same. And proton has the positive charge, like Mr. Abdullah Harun, and electron has the negative charge. So the number of the proton and the number of the electron are the same. So that's why we call every atom is remain neutral. Clear? Okay. And the another question is that students are making question how to get the Newton number. What Newton number? You know that Newton number, our honorable vice principal, Mr. Abdullah, Newton number, he has no idea, right? So Newton number, how will you get the Newton number? If we minus atomic number from mass number, we will get Newton number. Clear? If we minus atomic number from mass number, we will get Newton number. Clear? Okay, like in example, okay. Here we know that sodium is an atom and its proton number and neutron number together, that means mass number is 23 and the atomic number is 11. Atomic number there is 11. Atomic number means the proton number. If we want to get neutron number, so we have to minus minus atomic number from mass numbers. Okay, neutron number here. Neutron number. To get neutron number, we have to minus 23 minus 11. So that should be 12. So our 12 is the number of what? 12 is the number of neutron. Okay, 12 is the number of neutron. Okay. So from here we understand that atomic number, mass number, isotope, use of the isotope. Okay. So I don't wanna make you bored that. This video is you know that all the chapter is long, but I want to ensure you some homeworks. Like I discussed about isotopes, and you have in your books you notice that you have the use of the isotope in agricultural site, medical site, and aging plants. So you have to memorize these things. This is your homework. Clear? Okay. And there are there are lots of the elements and atom named sodium. Like from one, I want to mention that one is hydrogen, helium, lithium, barium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, chlorine, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. So we have to memorize from one hydrogen to argon, and you have to memorize, must memorize. Clear? Okay, so I don't want to make you bored by using a lot of time from you. So stay with Sheikh Wahid Rahman Academy and keep in touch with Tarek sir. And that's all for the time being. Okay, bye bye.